Hey, good morning. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. And as far as the weather pattern today, actually kind of a tricky forecast because we are expecting we'll see some cloud cover this morning, maybe some fog, maybe some light rain as well. It could be one of those days where we just don't see the clouds break in some areas. So kind of a tricky temperature forecast. But either way, I think most of us in the 60s today. If the clouds do break, that will push some of us into the low 70s. So even if the forecast numbers come in a little bit higher than expected, it will still be a comfortable day for us. We've actually seen a little light rain pop up this morning, especially across Arkansas and Louisiana, and this will kind of move left to right across the screen or west to east today. So I don't think it's going to be a ton of rain, maybe a tenth of an inch of rain or less, and I think the rain will be much less across Oklahoma and East Texas as the front kind of pushing down towards I-20 this morning. And again, the front will just kind of be with us through the day. It is going to wash out or kind of dissipate, but it may trigger a few additional showers, and it may cool the temperatures a few degrees this morning as well. So that's why I'm thinking the temperature, the dew point will come together. We'll likely see some fog, the overcast skies develop as well, but you can see temperature-wise running pretty nice this morning, upper 50s and low 60s. Winds have turned to the north of I-30, so the frontal boundary kind of right there through Texarkana right now. Out ahead of the front, we still have a south wind, and the thinking today, east wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So we are seeing a little fog set up Mount Pleasant down through Marshall, so that will be a possibility for us on some of the major interstates this morning. And there's a look at the forecast highs. I've undercut the numbers for Shreveport and Texarkana a little bit, so a lot of the forecast models saying we could hit 72, 73 today, but I'm just thinking the clouds, the rain may linger a little bit this morning, so that's why I've held us in the 60s. 63 for Adabel and between Natchitoches at about 73 degrees, so we may actually see some sunshine south of I-20, which would push those temperatures into the low 70s. So Futurecast does show, again, a little bit of light rain around today. It's not going to be a ton, so if you have outdoor plans today, I really wouldn't be too concerned about the rain, but if you are worried about it, go ahead, take an umbrella with you today. Any rain just kind of light and annoying as we head through the afternoon, and you see the cloud cover holding pretty strong today. May begin to see it break up a little bit as we go through the day tomorrow, but we are keeping that rain chance going for your Wednesday. There is our next cold front. Really hasn't changed much as far as the timing here. You see some of the rain picking up Wednesday across the northern Arklatex, but for most of us this will be a Thursday front, so we are expecting some showers, maybe a few isolated storms on Thursday. Still doesn't look like we're going to see any kind of severe weather threat with this system, but we are definitely going to see some cold air take over on Friday. The clouds may linger with us through the day, and Friday high is still forecast to be in the upper 40s and low 50s. Look at the rainfall totals, with most of this falling Thursday into early Friday, still picking up some of those 1 to maybe 2 inch amounts north of I-20 and just lighter amounts elsewhere, so this won't be a huge rainmaker for us. And the 7-day forecast will show you another pretty nice day tomorrow. Temperatures start to drop with the front Thursday into Friday, so Friday will be another one of those kind of winter-like days, maybe not as cold as Halloween was, but it is going to be fairly chilly on Friday. And weekend's looking pretty good, should be near 60 on Saturday. Partly cloudy Sunday with highs in the mid-60s. And it looks like there is another front on the way early next week. We'll have to watch this one because a lot of forecast models saying we could see some seriously cold air with this right now, just kind of going low to mid-50s with highs on Monday, but there is the potential it could be even colder than that. So stay with us for updates throughout the week.